All right, so we are on the way to Nick's shop right now, where about a week ago I had another car delivered. Unsurprisingly, it's another 8.6, and this one is actually going to replace the red coupe that you guys saw. So that one's for sale, and this new car is going to be the drift car. I won't reveal what it is yet, but I haven't seen it in person yet. So this is my first look at it. Nick tells me it's really cool, and you guys have probably already seen it online. It's a familiar car, so very pumped to finally see it in person. Look at that. Too many coupes, too many coupes. Oh my God. Wow, this is crazy. This is real life. A Corolla GTS with a 20 valve and 11 front. Wow, it's really here.
All the way from California.
All the way from California. Wow, hell yeah. This is sick. This is really, really sick.
Why does it sound like an R32 GTO?
It does.
Yo, 11 keys,
Oh my
and
God.
2 turbos. Fuck yeah. Hey guys, what's up?
This is sick.
Look at all these fucking Corollas.
There's so many coupes.
Too many keys.
Too many coupes.
Hosen.
What's up, dude?
Oh my God, this is exciting.
We're hoarding Corollas.
Yeah, this is pretty
bad.
I didn't take anything out. I left the bumper there.
How the fuck you open the door?
Good luck.
More gas, more gas.
That's like really bad.
Stop.
So, this is a 1986 Corolla GTS that has been built and tracked for a bunch of years by Dan out in SoCal. You might know him from SwangBiz, where he does the bash bars, Devil Run. He's pretty much a master. He's a master Honda tech. He does a lot of S2000 swaps in these cars, but he also does some bash bar and some other really cool stuff for the cars. So Dan's amazing, and he's an awesome car builder, and I thought that this would be the best way to get back on track. So it's a built Corolla. It's got a 20 valve in it. It's got a 1.5 way LSD. It's got a one-piece drive shaft, 4.7 rear. The engine's totally rebuilt. The transmission is totally rebuilt with an M Factory 5th gear. And there's a bunch of other awesome stuff done to it that can't even think of at the moment because it's 90 degrees and we are sweating just from putting the bumper on the car. So yeah, it's awesome. I haven't driven it for more than, you know, down the street and back yet, but already I can tell that the thing is gonna rip on track. So very pumped on that.
Have power steering?
No.
It feels so light.
Yeah, I don't think, there's no way it has power steering.
Oh. It feels good. It feels very, like, kind of reminds me of my car.
Hell yeah. Go for it. Wow. It's not a quiet car. Well, he broke it loose. All right, getting a little sidetracked while Nick has the keys. We have the red coupe here, which we're gonna just go drive for a second. Haven't driven it in a while. So it became very apparent after owning this coupe for a year. How the hell do I get out of here? After owning this coupe for almost a year, we hadn't even really had time to do basic maintenance and put coilovers on it. It's tough for me to get from New York City down to Nick's. It's like a 2.5 hour drive, and more than building, we just built the hatch. Like we get building cars and we do it a lot, but more than anything, I wanted to be driving again. So getting back on track in a car that I trust, that is kind of like my dream build, is the way that I think makes sense for my life. And we want to get out there and we want to make track videos for you guys, and I want to spend time on the racetrack with Hosen and Nick and just like really hanging and driving. So that made sense to me. But that being said, this car is now for sale, so somebody buy it. It's sick. Feels great. Feels really great. I guess that was pretty bad. Not at the temp. I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't show anybody that.
Yeah,
but
it's fine. It's fine.
All right, so we just got a chance to look over the coupe, and it's awesome. It drives great. It feels great. The next step is to get it over to a shop to get a cage made for it, and then I'm getting back on the track with it. So it should be really good. I can't wait to drive it more. It's gonna be a blast. This car is gonna be the one that I'm hopefully driving for years and years.